Hello friends, welcome to DIY projects. Today I am making a DIY project for summer. With materials like waste jar and used CPU fan, we can make cool mini air conditioner at home. And it is always good to recycle waste materials. Materials I have used for making mini air conditioners are CPU fan, some ice cubes, used plastic jar, X-Acto knife, and a marker. Things we should know while using CPU fan is it rotates only in one direction, that is from left to right, as I am holding here. First of all, mark plastic jar cover and body part and cut out those parts. Now stick the CPU fan at cover so that the air blows inside the jar. Put some ice cubes inside the jar. Now it's time to give electric supply to CPU fan. For powering CPU fan, I have used a AC to DC adapter. You can also use 9-volt batteries. Hereby, this DIY mini air conditioner is completed. If you have any suggestions, you are always welcome at comment section. If you like this project and want to see similar DIY projects, then feel free to subscribe us by clicking the red subscribe button. If you like the video, then press the like button. Thank you for viewing this DIY project. See you at next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.